Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can lock or unlock your Facebook profile. Very easiest way. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, then please like it and subscribe our channel. So let's start video. Firstly, open the Facebook app and then click on profile, and here you will go to the post and your post will be in friend audience. So my post audience is already on the friends, so I click on OK and I will go back. After that you will see three dotted on top right and click on it, and then you will see help and support. Click on it. After that click on help center, and here you will see search engine. Here you will write lock profile. After that click on first option, lock your Facebook profile. Here you will see the option lock profile. Click on it, and then you will see at the bottom lock your profile. Click on it and then click on OK, and in this way you will see you have locked your profile, and my profile has been locked. If you unlock your Facebook profile, then I will show you how you can unlock your Facebook profile if you locked it. Then click on three dotted on top right, and here will you see help and support. Click on it and then click on help center, and right here lock profile, and then click on lock your profile, Facebook profile, and scroll down the page and click on your profile is locked, and then you will see a unlock option. Click on it and you will click on the unlock your profile at the bottom. Click on it and click on OK, and that's the method. Through this you can lock or unlock your Facebook profile. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you will face any kind of problem, then let me know. I will repeat for you. Thanks for watching.